Hi everyone, I'm Emily.
I'm Joplin.
And today we're going to talk about the power of the why. So what is your why? I like to think of it as a strong sense of purpose. It's that feeling deep down inside that gives you the courage to take action, to do something really gutsy. So, like start your own business.
Yeah.
Do you have a why, Joplin?
Really, my why kind of developed over time and just kind of naturally came to me. Like, I wanted to be my own role model. I wanted to be my own hero for myself because I didn't necessarily have that growing up. I didn't have that stable figure.
Okay.
I want to be that person for the other people that don't necessarily have that either growing up.
Yeah.
I know what I missed out on.
And you're a supervisor.
Right.
So you've got agents that report to you. I'll bet this comes in handy and is really helpful to inspire the people that you're in charge of coaching every single day.
Right. I get to coach them. I get to make them better, and I get to continue to drive their progress. And honestly, that feels amazing to me. That's something
awesome.
that gets me up and going every single day.
I think that's super powerful. I really like that a lot. And there's a lot of different whys. You can have more than one. It's not the same for everybody. But regardless of what it is, it's something that you're going to be able to call on when you're going through those tough times. And it's what's going to remind you of why you're making that sacrifice. It's why you can keep enduring and stick it out because you've got that why, you've got that bigger picture.
Right, and really, if you don't even have one right now, like that's okay.
Yeah.
You're still growing. You're still moving forward, and finding what your why may be.
Yeah.
And
But think about it.
and that's yeah, think about that, and really going forward, like what's your why?
I'm Emily.
And I'm Joplin.
Thanks for watching.